Want to send SMS messages directly from your AI assistant? In this video, I'll show you how to connect MstyClaw to Ozeki SMS Gateway and start sending text messages through SMPP in just a few simple steps. How does this solution work? MstyClaw connects to Ozeki SMS Gateway's built-in SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol. Ozeki SMS Gateway acts as a bridge between MCP and the SMPP service provider, routing messages to the recipient's phone. What is Msty Claw? Msty Claw is an AI chat application that lets you interact with large language models through a desktop interface and supports MCP tool servers to extend its capabilities with features like SMS messaging. What is an SMPP? SMS MCP server is a software bridge that uses the Model Context Protocol to connect AI assistants to an SMS gateway, which then delivers messages to the mobile network over an SMPP client connection. To use this solution, you need to install Ozeki SMS Gateway on your Windows machine or server. Download the installer from the URL, extract the zip file, and run the executable to complete the installation. To connect Ozeki SMS Gateway to the mobile network, go to the Connections panel and add a new SMPP client connection. Enter the host, port, and credentials from your SMS service provider. Then save and activate the connection to bring the gateway online. To create an MCP user account in Ozeki SMS Gateway, click Add New User Application and select the MCP user type. Then enter a username and password for the account. Next, open the Advanced tab to generate an API key and copy it to a safe location for use in the configuration steps. To configure MstyClaw, open the Settings menu and navigate to the Tool Servers section to add a new server with the Ozeki SMS Gateway MCP endpoint URL and your bearer API key. Once configured, MstyClaw will connect to the MCP server and expose SMS tools like Send SMS and List Incomings for use in your chat conversations. To test SMS sending, open a conversation in MstyClaw and type your SMS request in plain language, specifying the recipient phone number and message text. The AI model will interpret your request, call the Send SMS tool, and display a confirmation that the message was successfully submitted for delivery. To check successful SMS delivery, open Ozeki SMS Gateway and navigate to the MCP User Details page in the Users and Applications panel. In the user's event log, you will see an entry for the outgoing message confirming that it was successfully processed by the gateway. And that's how you send SMS through SMPP from Msty Claw using Ozeki SMS Gateway. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.